So Vinny, I'm excited to see one of your workouts.
Yes, so today we're just going to, for the fitness workout for the week, we're just going to go over some ladder drills. So 3 things really, really important for all athletes, whether it's rugby, basketball, football, soccer, tennis, lacrosse, field hockey, whatever sport it may be. Footwork is fundamental, okay? It's a foundation, all right? So we have to start. Everything starts from the ground up. All right, so first things first, we're going to go 2 in each with our right leg leading first, all right? Right leg leading first, 2 in each. Are we ready? Okay? Starting with our feet outside the ladders, all right? We're going to go 2-step rhythm now, okay? It's 4 total, but we want to count 2, okay? Because it is 2 steps in, Elias, 2 steps in, and then it will be 2 steps out. 2 steps in, 2 steps out, all right? All the way through, okay? This drill is called a lot of different things in a lot of different neighborhoods. I like to call it typewriter because it's almost like moving your fingers, all right? Feet should be moving fast and quick. Here we go. First time through, 20%. Go, 2 in, 2 out. Get those arms involved, come on. Good. Nice and easy, 20%. Here we go. Go.
Makes sense.
So, 3 words I always say: rhythm, balance, coordination. So each time through the drills, you go through 3 times.
Okay.
20 seconds, find your rhythm. 40 to 60% to find your balance. 80 to 100 to be coordinated. Because a lot of times with new footwork and being coordinated in small spaces, a lot of times your body won't allow you to stay coordinated throughout the entire ladder. So with those process and that process within itself, you are able to grow at a more exponential rate.
That's a great point.
Yeah. Arms, come on, arms. Come on, take your time. Hey, your 20% is your 20%. Everybody's 20% will be different. Go. Your 20%, your 20%. Control your space, come on. Good, attaboy. Come on, come on, come on.